Hey everybody, Leslie here with Pink Pepper Co. I wanted to go over the shower lanyard that I offer a little bit today. I've had a lot of questions on it and I thought I'll just do a quick video to show everybody what it actually looks like and how it works. So the way you use it is you just slip it over your head and then it's got this clasp and you can unclasp it. And then the JP drains, they look like this. They all have a tab on them. They don't come without a tab. They know you have to somehow hook this somewhere. It can't just left be hanging by the tube because it's just like one little stitch that holds it on to you and they don't want the weight of that pulling on the surgery site. So they have this little tab, but they don't usually supply anything for you to hook it to. So here's the shower lanyard, and so all you do is you just feed the one side through and you clip it. And then it holds it while you're showering. So this is definitely strong enough to hold multiple drains. Some people have up to 8 drains. You definitely can do it this way. It gets a little heavy on your neck, but this is super strong. This is not going to be a problem. Just the weight could be a problem. The other thing people ask is, can I just use the shower lanyard instead of like a mastectomy shirt or the mastectomy hoodie? Yes, you can, but this is not comfortable. The other issue with this, to just wear this all day and sleep in it, I wouldn't do it. The problem is, if you can see, it moves around a lot and you don't want the drain moving this much. For the shower, it's fine. You know, you get in the shower, you're not moving much anyway, and then you put it back in the shirt or in the pockets of whatever mastectomy clothing you bought. But this is not good long-term to wear around your neck, the weight of this, and this movement is not good. So for sleeping, for going out, I highly suggest getting the mastectomy shirt or the mastectomy hoodie. I personally slept in the mastectomy shirt that I offer. It tucks the drains in, keeps it close to your body, and stops it from moving around. And then the hoodie is great when it's cold out. The hoodie is also great. You can flip that hood up, cover your hair when you're going out to the doctor. That's really good too. But here's the shower lanyard. That's why I call it a shower lanyard. I really don't suggest using this for anything more than the shower. The other thing it's good for is you can hook the drains to this when you're changing. So I'll put this around my neck, open my shirt up, put my drains in on this, take my shirt off, throw it in the laundry. You want to wash your shirt every day, keep it clean. Put your new shirt on while the drains are held onto this, so you can get dressed by yourself really easily. Then you undo it, put the drains in the pockets of the shirt, and then you can set the lanyard aside for later. So there you go, shower lanyard. I have a bunch of different colors on my website. I really suggest adding one to your order, but I also don't suggest just ordering this. Try to get something with pockets so that you can sleep comfortably after your mastectomy. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.